my beautiful people. Today we are making something very different. Let's install this sister locks from Siphis hair. Like, the hair is so soft. So I received 200 strands of these locks. They came in 100 in a pack of 2 packs here. So I'm here to install them. This is a tutorial video, step by step, on how you can install your own sister locks. This is like a break from your actual hair if you need it. The hardest part of this installation is the pattern. Yes, the pattern is very, very important. For me, I used a gel and then I patted. It helped me pat it very well. These are sister locks, so it's important to have your sections very, very tiny, like very small sections. Yeah, and if you want to see your back, you need to put a mirror in front of you and a mirror behind you so that it's easy for you to see your back. But if you don't have those there yet, you can let someone help you by holding a mirror for you so that it helps with parting your hair. Yes, so first of all, I parted my hair into sections. This section was quite big, so the subsequent patterns, I made them very, very small because there are 200 strands. Initially I thought the 200 strands were not enough for my entire hair, but trust me, they were so enough, and I even had about 60 strands remaining. Yes, so I braided my hair, just the bottom aspect of it, because I'll be crocheting the sister locks into my actual hair. So the point is to braid your hair, just the bottom part of it, so that you can have some strength, some hold, some grip to crochet your actual hair into it. So this is a strand of 10. This is 10 strands of sister locks, and here's how I'll be putting them into my actual hair. First of all, I make sure that the part where hasn't been locked yet, I make sure they are in really tiny strands. I divide them into two. I don't want the bottom or the root side of the locks to be too bulky. So once I divide them into two, I just put one into the crochet pin and then pull it through my hair so that it is secured through my hair. The whole point of locking your hair is to wrap the hair around your hair, or wrap your hair around the hair. That is the whole point of locking your hair, guys. It's so simple. This hair is so nice. You think that it is my actual hair. Like, a lot of people thought that I had locked my hair, and people know that my hair is natural, so they're like, oh, you have locked your hair. Oh, you have locked your hair. I'm like, no, I haven't locked my hair. Yeah, so the whole point is to coil or wrap the locks around your hair. The part that is not crocheted, the part that is not well locked, you just wrap it around your actual hair like you see me do. And then when that part is finished, you grab your actual hair that's remaining and then you wrap it around your hair. That is what I did. So first of all, you wrap the sister locks hair, the part that hasn't been locked yet, you wrap it around your hair from the roots going. And when that hair is finished, you grab your actual hair, whether it's natural or relaxed, and then you wrap it around the locks. Yes. So the trick is that your hair is able to hold the hair. It's like, especially if you use natural hair can attach itself. I don't know what causes that, but it can just blend itself with hair, with this locks. Yes, because this is 100% human hair, it gives this natural look. Like, can you tell the difference? So this is another tutorial that you can do. You can get the concept better. First of all, put the crochet pin through your hair using the root of your hair, then divide the locks into two. The part that hasn't been locked yet, divide into two, then you pass one through the crochet pin and then through your hair, and then you wrap the locks hair, the one that hasn't been locked yet, you wrap it all around your hair. Once you are done wrapping, you divide your actual hair into two so that the locks doesn't look too big. It just looks like your own hair. So this is very optional. I divided my hair into two so that the locks doesn't look too big. So then I wrap my actual hair around the whole hair. And when my actual hair is done, when I reach the tip of my actual hair, I go on to take the other one that I divided into two. Guys, I hope you are getting this concept here. It sounds difficult and a bit messed up, but it's very, very easy. I taught my sister how to do it, and she was able to help me finish this installation. So it is very, very easy. Just keep wrapping your hair around the locks, keep wrapping it around the locks, and then when it's done, when you get to the tip of your hair, you go on and take the other half. You remember we divided our hair into two, so you go on and take the other half that is remaining and then just keep wrapping it with it. Yes. So yeah, I noticed that my hair was looking bigger than before, and that was when I started reducing all the sections that I was doing. So I started reducing the sections. Guys, can you see? It's so simple. That's how I did the hair. I did throughout this part. All this part, you could tell that the sections of my hair are in smaller sections. Yeah, it's quite a lot, but if you are doing this alone, it will take you like 4 days. Yes, but if you get help, if you let someone assist you, it should take you like a day or two. When my sister assisted me, it just took me 2 days, but if you are doing it alone, it will take you quite a while. This is a break from your hair, and trust me, it is a well needed break. And when you use this sister locks, your styling becomes so nice. Like, you have different ways of styling the hair, especially because they are very small in size. Yeah. So tell me why you should choose. I mean, let me tell you why you should choose Siphis hair. The hair is so soft, like it's very soft. You know, this hair that we do on our hair, some of them are so heavy that you can't even turn your neck around. But this one is so soft and so flexible. Everyone was complimenting this hair. Like, everyone was like, wow, is that your real hair? Wow. And this is, people hardly see me in braids or something. So when they saw me, they were like, you're looking different. You're looking different. And yes, I was really looking different. Yeah. So keep wrapping your hair. Keep wrapping. I hope this tutorial is well detailed. If it's not, just let me know in the comment section and I will give you the needed answer on how to get this done. Trust me, I didn't even watch lots of videos. Initially, when the brand texted me, when I reached out to the brand and they said they're going to send the locks, I was the one who even said I wanted. I'm like, wow, this is something I haven't done before. Will I be able to do it? But this year, you try and step out of your comfort zone, something that you haven't tried before. Try giving it a shot. Like me doing cornrows, me styling my hair. This is something that I hadn't done before, and I decided to give them a shot. Yeah. So the whole point of this style is to wrap. What I did was that I sectioned my hair down. Yeah, so I make sure I sectioned my entire hair. I had about 140 or 160. I really do not remember. Of sectioned hair, my actual hair. So I just braided the root of the hair and then just left it there like that. So when I finished, I put them into 10 sections so that installing it will not be too much. Because this is a lot. So if you don't look for a strategy to make it easy, you are going to suffer a lot. And this strategy was the best one for me. So this is day 2 of installing. So I use day 1 to section my actual hair, and then I use day 2 to install the locks itself. You can see the roots of the locks. I mean, the ends of the locks looks like they haven't been locked yet. So when you're done, if you have a crochet pin, you can just, I mean, if you have a locking, they have a pin they use, you can just do it, or you can just cut it off. For me, I just cut that part off. And trust me, my sister said she'll be using this hair after. This hair can be transferred from generation to generation. And it is so painless. Trust me, this is so painless. This is almost like a knotless braid. You know, you are, first of all, braiding your actual hair before you go in with the lock. So it is so painless. I finished, my scalp was looking clean, squeaky clean, but I felt no pain. Like, this is me who has braided my hair and there's no pain on my scalp. So I'll definitely choose this style again if I want a style that is going to last me longer, is going to be painless, and it's also going to look very beautiful. Like, I'm not even done with this, but can you tell that it's looking so gorgeous? Like, this was the last strand and I'm like, relief, guys, relief. So guys, this is me. Let me know what you think about it. This is a final look. Of me rocking my 200 strand sister locks. Well, I use about 160. I'm not very sure, but I didn't reach 170. No, 200. Yeah. So let me know what you think about it. Is this something you'll be doing yourself? For me, I absolutely loved it. Hey, it was so nice, so easy, so light. It's just time consuming, but it's absolutely worth it. Do this for 2 days. I mean, you use 2 days to do this hair, and then you can wear it for like 3 6 months. The only thing you need to do is to keep wrapping the under of your hair, so that going there so that they retwist or something for you, but you can keep this hair very long because they are in tiny pieces and they're not going to look messy anytime soon. Guys, let me know what you think about this. Have you tried sister locks before? Is it something you want to try? Let me know what you think. I also do a video on several styles, several ways you can style your sister locks. Yes, I have a couple of videos on how you can style your sister locks. That will look so simple, so nice, so neat, and so beautiful. I'll see you in my next video. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Till next time, bye.